In this video, I will show you how to send payslips for your employees. In order to send payslips, firstly, you want to confirm that you have completed your pay run. If you have posted your pay run, you can see here, pay run has been filed with the IRD. You will see that status marked as filed just like this. Go ahead and click on that pay run to open it up. Now we are going to select the employees. You can see a list of everyone included in this pay period right here. To get started, go to the options and select email payslips. If you want to send payslips to everyone at once, just click the checkbox at the very top of the list. It will select everyone for you automatically. If you only need to send a payslip to a specific person, just check the box next to their name individually. Once you have selected your team, look for that email payslip button and double check that everyone has a valid email address. If everything looks good, go ahead and click send. Once you have sent the payslips, take a look at the status column here. You will see it now shows as emailed. So your employees will receive an email with a link to view their payslips. If they use the Xero Me mobile app, they will get a notification right on their mobile. That's it. Your team is paid and informed. If you found this helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and thanks for watching.